Day 2 of the Sabarimala hearings in the Supreme Court has seen some important questions under focus, such as who even has the right to challenge a religious practice. Remember, the original 2018 Sabarimala judgment came from a public interest litigation filed by the Indian Young Lawyers Association, which struck down the restriction on the entry of women between 10 and 50 years. Justice B.V. Nagratna raised a concern asking, can people who are not even devotees of Lord Ayyappa challenge temple customs? She further said if such a case had been filed as a civil suit, it could have been rejected outright for having no cause of action. The underlying point here, whether courts should entertain PILs filed by those with no direct connection to the religious practice. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta backed this line of thinking, arguing that this is precisely one of the key questions before this bench. Can outsiders to a religious denomination question its practices at all? He also took a broader swipe, saying many PILs today are motivated and driven by hidden agendas rather than genuine public interest. But that wasn't all. Tushar Mehta also questioned the legal concepts of constitutional morality and transformative constitutionalism. He argued that morality under Article 25 should mean societal morality, not constitutional morality, and said he doesn't even fully understand that transformative constitutionalism means in this context. Justice Nagratna responded by clarifying that the court isn't directly applying this doctrine here, but also pointed out that morality in society is not static. It evolves over time. And this is where he brought in the Joseph Shine judgment, the 2018 Supreme Court ruling that decriminalized adultery by striking down Section 497 of the IPC. Mehta argued that certain observations in that case, especially emphasizing a woman's sexual autonomy, became the foundation for how the court later approached the Sabarimala. He specifically questioned whether concepts like sexual autonomy within marriage should be used to reinterpret religious practices. He even asked, is fidelity within marriage now being treated as a patriarchal idea, pointing out that fidelity is expected equally from both spouses. The hearings are far from over, so stay tuned to LiveLaw for live courtroom updates and detailed reports.